Okay, so this is a quick demo of the new tool in the latest version of Toolbox Pro, which is Bookmark Files. And what this lets you do is to access files that are stored outside of the shortcut sandbox automatically to use within your shortcuts. So let me show you a quick example of that in action. So here, this is my desktop, and I've got an empty text file called log.txt there. Now I want to bookmark that file so that I can access it automatically in shortcuts. So I first need to add a bookmark, and I can do that within shortcuts. So I'm just going to search for a bookmark file. And now I need to select the file, so I'm going to find a get file action, pop that before. Now create bookmark, that's the one we want to use, and then the file we want to select. And the name, I'm just going to call it log. And that's all we need to do, and we'll just run it. Select log. And as you can see, we now have a bookmark called log that will access that file. So if we open up Toolbox Pro and go to File Bookmarks, you can now see that there, and we can remove that bookmark should we want to later on. But now let's just have a quick demo of what we can do with that file now. So we're going to add a new Edit Bookmarked File tool. And then we're going to select log, the one we just created. And then we're going to append some text. So let's create a text block that we can edit first. So in here, I'm going to add the current date. I'm going to set that to ISO 8601 with the time as well. And then underneath, we're going to put in the text that we want to put in. What would you like to log? So that'll be the provided input, and then we'll add a new line after that. So we're going to edit this log by appending this text above. And now there's some other options here. We can combine with various different things, and we can choose whether it's a bookmarked file or a bookmarked folder. In this case, it's a bookmarked file. So if we run that, what would you like to log? This is a demonstration log. I spelled that wrong, but never mind. So now you can see that's been added to our text file. If we run it again, this is the second log, okay, and that's been added. This is the third. So obviously we're manually inputting text there, but that could be done automatically within another shortcut. And that could be a file that's saved anywhere on your file system. It could even be saved locally on your iPad or on a remote server somewhere. So that's just a quick look at Bookmark File in the latest version of Toolbox Pro.